In the peaceful town of Emberville, a dragon named Fergus volunteered as the local fire alarm. All was well until Fergus caught a nasty cold. One day, while the townsfolk were hosting a chili cook-off, Fergus felt a tickle in his snout. He tried to warn everyone, but before he could, he let out a monstrous sneeze, igniting every chili pot, toasting marshmallows in pockets, and even flambeing the mayor's mustache. The townsfolk stared in shock, and Fergus sheepishly sniffled. "Bless me, but next time let's just get a regular alarm."